Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2025 Porsche Panamera 4. The 2025 Porsche Panamera 4 continues to solidify its position as a luxury sports sedan that seamlessly blends performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As a member of Porsche's celebrated Panamera lineup, the Panamera 4 offers all-wheel drive, a refined driving experience, and the unmistakable Porsche design DNA. It remains a top choice for enthusiasts who demand both exhilarating performance and everyday practicality. Porsche has introduced several updates to the Panamera 4, ensuring it remains competitive in the luxury sports sedan market. Improved powertrain. The 2025 Panamera 4 features a more efficient and powerful engine, providing an extra boost in performance without compromising fuel economy. Updated infotainment system. The latest version of Porsche Communication Management System includes enhanced graphics, faster response times, and wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Revamped exterior styling. Subtle changes to the front and rear fascias, along with new LED headlight designs, give the Panamera 4 a fresher and more aggressive appearance. Sustainability features. Porsche has incorporated more sustainable materials in the vehicle's construction and interior finishes, aligning with its broader commitment to reducing environmental impact. The interior of the 2025 Porsche Panamera 4 is a testament to luxury and sophistication. Premium materials. The cabin is adorned with high-quality leather, wood, and metal accents, exuding a sense of opulence. Advanced technology. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and voice-activated controls make the driving experience intuitive and seamless. Spacious cabin. With ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, the Panamera 4 ensures comfort during long drives. Customization options. Buyers can choose from a wide range of interior color schemes, upholstery options, and trim materials to personalize their vehicle. Cargo space. The hatchback design offers generous cargo space, making the Panamera 4 surprisingly practical for its class. Under the hood, the 2025 Panamera 4 is powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing 325 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque ensures robust acceleration and smooth power delivery. Transmission. An 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission offers lightning-fast gear shifts. The standard all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, making the Panamera 4 suitable for various road conditions. Efficiency. With advancements in engine technology, the Panamera 4 offers improved fuel efficiency compared to its predecessors. The 2025 Porsche Panamera 4 is expected to hit showrooms in mid-2025. Pricing for this luxury sports sedan starts at approximately $98,000. With higher trims and customization options pushing the price significantly higher. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.